Myself Sarita, biology lecturer, Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Jandiala. As you know, coronavirus is spreading throughout the world. We have to protect ourselves from various viruses and bacteria. So, hand washing with plain soap and water is the most important thing you can do to reduce the spread of infectious diseases. I will discuss how we should wash our hands. So first of all, apply liquid soap on your hands. Rub hands together palm to palm. Then spread soap over the back of each palm. Rub the palms in such a way that the fingers are interlaced. Grip the fingers in hand and rub sideways. Rub each thumb clasped in opposite hand. Rub fingertips of both hands in opposite palm. Rub each wrist clasped in opposite hand. Rinse for 10 seconds and dry with a towel. Thank you.